Listen carefully. If you change just a few habits today, 6 months from now, you won't even recognize yourself. So the question is, are you ready to change? Or stay average? Be honest. How many times have you said, "I'll start tomorrow"? You plan big things, but end up scrolling your phone for hours. You feel motivated at night, but lazy in the morning. This is not your fault. You were never taught how to build powerful habits. But today that changes. Habit 1. Waking up early is not just a habit. It's a lifestyle shift. When you wake up late, you start your day reacting to everything. But when you wake up early, you control your day. Imagine this. While others are sleeping, you're already improving yourself. Start small. Wake up just 30 minutes earlier. Use that time to think, plan, grow. This one habit alone can separate you from 90% of people. Habit 2. Your mind is powerful. But if you don't control it, it will control you. Every day, you have two voices. One says, "You can't do it." The other says, "Try again." Which one are you feeding? Most people quit. Not because they fail, but because they think they can't win. Start doing this. When a negative thought comes, pause and replace it immediately. "I'm not good enough, I'm improving daily." Train your mind like a muscle. Because once your mindset changes, everything changes. Habit 3. You don't need a perfect body, but you need a strong one. Exercise is not just physical. It's mental strength. When you push your body, you train your discipline. Even on days you don't feel like it. Do it anyway. That's where growth happens. Start simple. 10 push-ups. 10 minutes walk. No excuses. Habit 4. Let's be real. Your biggest problem is not lack of time. It's wasted time. Hours on social media. Watching others live their life, while you delay yours. Ask yourself, is this helping me grow? Or keeping me stuck? Try this. Reduce screen time by just 1 hour daily. That's 180 hours in 6 months. Imagine what you can build in that time. Habit 5. The world is changing fast. If you're not learning, you're falling behind. Successful people never stop learning. Books, podcasts, skills. Anything valuable. Even 20 to 30 minutes daily can completely upgrade your mindset. Knowledge gives you power, but applied knowledge gives you results. Habit 6. This is where most people fail. They start strong, then quit after a few days. Listen. You don't need motivation. You need discipline. Even if you feel tired. Even if you don't feel like it. Show up. Because success is not one big action. It's small actions repeated daily. Habit 7. Look at the people around you. Are they helping you grow? Or pulling you down? Energy is contagious. If you stay around negative people, you will think negative. If you stay around focused people, you will level up. Choose your circle wisely, because your future depends on it. Let me tell you something real. 6 months will pass anyway. The question is, will you grow or stay the same? No one is coming to save you. No perfect time is coming. This is your moment. Start today. Start small. But start. Like this video. Subscribe.